Welcome back, family, to another video, and as always, it's a blessing to be here. In this video, we'll be discussing about XRP Swift ISO20022, the adoption and exact start date, and when that will be implemented. By that being said, guys, if you guys are new to this channel, give it a thumbs up on your way in, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I release information-packed videos, just like the one you're watching right now. So let's just get straight into this video. First, we'll be taking a look at Swift itself, saying ISO 20022 adoption program. Okay, guys, and they're saying get ready for March 2023. So they released this article and it's saying get ready for March 2023. And what correlates with March 2023? Basically, at least so far that we know, the end of the SEC versus the Ripple lawsuit should be coming very, very soon, and the end of March should be around the time frame of what the lawsuit is expected to end, and that came from the mouth of Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple. So we'll just read this part and then move on to the next. So whether you're adopting the standard from the start of the migration period or not, as a Swift customer, the mandatory action you need to perform before March 2023 is to upgrade your messaging interface. So that means all the banks, all the institutions that are using this, they need to upgrade. What happened? They need to upgrade the mandatory action, which is the messaging interface, to ensure their messages are processed properly. Testing the recipient of multi-format MX messages, ISO 20022, plus the MT messaging, generated by the Inflow Translation Service on FinPlus is also highly recommended. So this is an article where they're talking about the payments entering a new era with the ISO 20022. And just in a short summary, they're basically saying get ready before we put out the full implementation on March 2023. And at least before the adoption phase begins, you need to have these things set up, which is being the messaging interface needs to be upgraded. And also the testing of the recipient of multi-format MX messaging is basically the same thing. They need to be generated and then making sure that they are ready for the upgrade. But let's take a look at this next one, which says ISO 20022 implementation. And the first table of contents, it says, can I exchange live ISO messages sooner than March 2023? And the answer is yes, you can. So over here, yes, since August 2022, all required capabilities have been deployed and institutions have been able to exchange ISO 20022 messages for the CPBR Plus on an output basis. Institutions that would like to realize the benefits of the ISO 22 rich data format for CBPR Plus sooner than March 2023 can continue to exchange ISO 20022 messages on an opt-in basis. And what is rich data? Rich data is basically consumers' data, and that's very important, guys. Rich data is used to predict consumer behavior. So basically what they're talking about is to make sure that for them to benefit and understand the formula of rich data and what comes with it through the format of the CBPR, as sooner than March 2023, you're able to implement these messages. And over here we see the main topic for this video. What are the new milestones leading up to the general availability of CBPR Plus on 20 March 2023? So they're basically saying on March 20, 2023 is when the ISO 20022 fully compliant will be on launch mode, completely on launch mode. And we can see it here, ISO 20022 for cross-border payments and reporting CBPR Plus will go live for all impacted banks on 20 March 2023 with the coexistence of ISO 20022 MX and Legacy MT until November 2025. But what happens here? Do I have to implement ISO 20022 for all flow at once, or can I continue to MTs? And these questions are basically being asked by the bankers and institutions, and then Swift is giving you the answer. They said no, that for the payment and cash reporting flows, there is a migration period until November 2025. After this coexistence period, the MT messages on Fin will be removed and then continue to MT1, 2X, and 9X. But let's go down here and I want to show you guys one last thing. Okay, wait for it. There we go here. What does it say here? The clearinghouse TCH. In March 2025, the Federal Reserve, FED, the Fed, the Eurozone will go live on 20 March 2023. So the Eurozone will go live on when? Let's scroll all the way back up to the exact date. 20 March 2023. So I'm just making this short video to make sure that you guys are prepared for it. Make sure you're aware of it as well. Making sure that you're vigilant in these markets to understand what's truly going on and what Swift agenda is and how it all aligns with the world map of XRP Ripple. By that being said, guys, if you guys are new to this channel or you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. I'm Crypto UL with Y'all Exchange. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Peace out.